you hear so much about big data and how quickly it's growing and the volume and the velocity and the variety, and it's such a cliche these days. The reality is that we are just awash in data. We are digitally driven businesses. Everybody operates off of their computers, their devices, information that they're taking in from their conversations and phone calls, from their websites. And so, how do you see the signals through the noise? How do you even know what information is relevant and that you should continue to collect or collect more of? Data profiling really is the analytics on your data to help you understand what's available to you, why it's important to you, and how is it relevant towards the different types of decisions and actions you're going to take in your business. Profiling gives you assurance that facts and data you do collect are relevant and powerful and monetize where you want to go.